So today we're shopping at one of my favorite grocery stores, Central Market, and we're going to put together a charcuterie board. And I have a budget of $150, so let's see if we can make the budget. So I headed into Central Market's produce section and I grabbed some tiny cucumbers, mini veggies, or just anything mini because it's a great option when doing apps or light bites. I stopped by and picked up some edible flowers because the platter needs some color, so definitely had to get those. So next I went to grab some apples, and they had so many options. They had ones that are called Envy apples, Pink Lady apples. So I grabbed a few for the board because the sign said that they were good for charcuterie boards. Next, I grabbed some strawberries, and yes, I am sniffing the strawberries to make sure that they're sweet. Strawberries are a must on every board, and they pair well with like everything on your board. And I also grabbed some blackberries. Central Market had so much to choose from, but I stayed focused, and then I went to the cracker aisle and I grabbed a few toasts. And then I went by the truffle aisle and I saw that they had honey truffles. So I had to grab some of that because I think it would be a great garnish for the board. Next, I went to the cheeses, and I will never not grab brie cheese because it's my favorite. And so I grabbed that and the goat cheese. And then of course I had to grab some pepper jack and cheddar cheese. Next up, I grabbed some prosciutto, black forest ham, salami, and pepperoni. And then I headed to checkout, but checking out was a bit stressful, hoping I didn't miss anything and I stayed within budget. So clearly you see I did not stay within budget. I grabbed lunch, but stay tuned for part 2 when we put this board together.